Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on how to erase personal safety for all content and settings in Apple. Introduction. How to erase all content and settings. If you're concerned someone may have had physical access to your device and tampered with its built-in security, you can restore the device to its factory settings, even if you aren't running the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. A factory restore erases the information and settings on your device. This includes removing any apps that were installed without your knowledge and resetting your privacy settings so you aren't sharing your location with any people or apps. It also installs the latest version of the operating system. This process, known as erase all content and settings, requires internet access and can take some time. However, it helps ensure that your device can be accessed only by you. Find out how. To view a task below, select the plus button plus next to its title. Erase your iPhone or iPad and restore it to factory settings. Erase your Mac and restore it to factory settings. Do one of the following. On your Mac running macOS 13 or later. On your Mac running macOS 12 or earlier. In Erase Assistant, enter your administrator information, the password you use to log into your Mac. Review items that will be removed in addition to your content and settings. On your Mac running multiple user accounts, click the arrow next to your account name to review the items. Click Continue, then follow the on-screen instructions. FAQs. What does erasing all content and settings on an Apple device do? Will erasing my device delete everything permanently? How do I erase all content and settings on my iPhone or iPad? Can I erase my Apple device remotely? Do I need to disable iCloud before erasing my device? Will erasing my device remove it from my Apple ID account? Is my data recoverable after erasing my device? How long does it take to erase an Apple device? Can I erase my Apple device without a passcode? Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.